Hello, everybody. It's Mindy, and I have some things to show you today. This is my second opportunity to share these with you because, they're really, really cool. And I am so happy that they have reached out to me and asked if I wanted to show you things again. So, yeah, I'm super, super excited to show it to you. Okay, so this is from the company Tivisiy, and let's get into it and we'll show you. So Tivisiy works with this company called High Park. See, it says right here, High Park. And High Park designs these cool things. It talks about who they are here. You can take a picture of this. I'm not going to read the whole thing, but home decor based on animals and an ethical factory, sustainable. They use materials that are sustainable. It's a cooperation that is just perfect, and they have just great items to share. So let's look at it and we'll show you what we have. I don't know which one this is. I have two things here. So, okay, this guy. You guys are going to laugh at this one, right? You're going to laugh at him. He's so cute. All right, let's get him out. Oh, hang on. No, don't get stuck in there. I don't want it to get stuck in the wood. So these are made from wood, and they are multiple layers of wood. And I'll show you what I mean here in just a second. Let's get everything out. You see how they're packaged in here. I have a remote for this one. Okay, so let's look at it. All right, here we go. So it goes like this. Can you tell what it says? It says love, right? L, he's the O-V-E, and he's a little gnome. So let's look up really close. See all the shamrocks in here? And the little leprechaun dudes, but then look at the layers. This is all multiple layers. See all the wood on the edge? That's how you can tell how many layers it is. So, each of these, like this white piece right here is its own layer, right? It is super cool how they turn out. And then they're painted inside. Look at, they got their mugs for St. Patrick's Day. He's definitely a very St. Patrick's Day kind of guy, isn't he? So it stands up. It will stand up perfectly. It's very nice. You can sit that on a table or wherever you want to sit it. Now, I'm going to set it down for a second because I'm going to be messing with this and hooking up our power here. So it's a regular USB. So I just happen to have a little box here to plug it into. Not that way. Plug it in that way. And then let's plug him in over here and we'll see how it works. Okay. Oh, look it. Oh my goodness. That is super cool, right? Okay, so I did not get one like this last time that was controlled. The lights were controlled like this. Mine was just, it came on. It didn't blink. It didn't flash. It didn't do anything. Okay. On our cord here, I might have to unplug this. Let me unplug it for a second to show you. On the cord is some controllers. Well, I don't know if it's a controller or not. Nope, I think it's just the connection. It's just a connector. This is music controller, input, output, voltage, etc., etc. All right. Okay, let's see how this works. We've got a remote control here. Let's see what our remote control does for us. Okay, let's get into it. Isn't it cute though? Oh my goodness. Super, super cute. All right. The last one I had, it had a remote too, but it just changed the colors. Does this one have music? I don't know. There's different varieties. Okay, let's see. Let's just open it, see what we get. I'll just play with it. Do I need to have a battery in here? Does it have a battery? Let's see. Okay, pull our little tab and we should be activated. Okay, so let's see. Orange. Nope, I didn't do anything. Hang on. Power. Off. On, off. Nope, I don't know. Looks like we need a battery first. Do we need a battery in here? I don't know. I don't know. Hang on. Okay, let me figure this out. I'll be right back. All right, I got it. Oh, he's voice activated. Did you see that? He is voice activated. Okay, I got it working. That's weird, isn't it? No, this is pretty funny though. Wow. Okay, let me show you. It can go solid colors, red. Now it's not voice activated. Once you have it on a solid color, it's not voice activated. It can be green. It can be blue. It can be white. white, which is kind of blue anyhow. Yeah, that's kind of really blue anyhow. Orange, yellow. What's that? Oh, they call it cyan. Cyan. You have to make sure you point it at the cord too. If you point it at him, it doesn't work. You got to point it at the cord. There's the purple, and then it does different patterns. We got jump 3, jump 7. We got fade 3. Oh, I like the fade. It goes through the colors slowly. And we got fade 7. Probably going to go faster. Maybe. Okay, so what did these 2 buttons do? There's 2 buttons up at the top here. So you see, here's our fades down here. Now, some of them are music activated. This one is not. This one does not have music. On and off button. And then there's these 2 buttons here that do something. Not certain what they do. That would make it solid, maybe. No, not solid. Okay, I don't know then. I don't know what those 2 do. Anyhow, it's kind of cool. It's pretty neat. I like it. How did I make it go back on the voice activated? Hang on. I'm going to turn it off. Let's just turn it off. Then we'll turn it on. And it seems like when it was... No, that's not the voice activated. Hang on. Let's turn it off. Can I make it come on with my voice? No. It doesn't do that. Okay. I don't know how I made it do that. How did I make it voice activated? Don't know. I don't know. Sound control, general music. I don't have sound though. Okay, I don't know. I don't know how I did that, but it's pretty neat. Anyhow, turn it back on. And then it was voice activated when I was doing something. I don't know what. All right, that's that one anyhow. It's super cute, right? Super, super cute. Love it. Okay, now let me show you the next one. Let's see. Let's unhook him. And I'll show you the next one. These are so cool. I love these. They make great gifts. I already have one put aside for my daughter. Yep. This one's for me. And I think I have somebody in mind for this one. I think this one is a gift idea. Let's see. Same little card. Here's our... Okay, this one might be different. Let's see. Let's see what's in the little bag. That one didn't have a cute little canvas bag like this. Oh, I know why. This is something else I ordered. Okay, hang on. That's a different item completely. I forgot about that. Okay, let's get this guy out. Let's see. All right. This one is for my sister. Yep. Okay, so this guy does not light up. This one doesn't light, but he is a little baby elephant. Look how cute, right? Now, see all the trees and everything in here that make that background? Those are all different layers of wood that they've cut and stained to do that, to get that effect, that 3D effect. That's pretty cool. So he's a baby elephant. Okay. And this one is a mommy elephant. Let's get it out. Okay. And then here is our cord. All right. So this one's just going to be a light. This one doesn't have the fancy remote and changing lights and all that kind of stuff. I don't think. It might do something. Let's see. Let's undo our cord. Okay, first of all, let's look at it. Look at this. We got the herd of elephants back here. We got grasses in the front, the moon in the back. Trees are through there. Look, aren't they cool? I'm surprised that all these little pieces like this and this and this, they come in perfect shape. They don't break. Oh my goodness. Look at the layers though. Look at how many different layers of wood are on those. Aren't they cool? I just love them. I think they are the neatest things. All right, let's plug this guy in and we'll show you how this one works, okay? Let's get it plugged in here. Find my little box here. Get plugged in and we'll see how this one works, okay? It's got a controller here on the cord, all right? So I'll plug it in and we'll turn it on. We'll see what it does. There we go. So it lights. I think it might just be one light only. Yep. This one is just a light. It's all it does. You can turn it on, turn it off. Turn it on, turn it off. Isn't it cool though? I just love these. They are so neat. And then this little guy just hangs out with Mama. Little baby elephant gets to hang out there. My sister is going to love this, you guys. Her house is filled with elephant stuff. Little figurines and statues and just all kinds of stuff. She loves elephants. So when I saw this one, I was like, yep, let me get this for her. Aren't they cool though? So we have this variety that is just a light only. And then we have the Gnome, who does all the cool flashy things and all the colors and all that kind of stuff. Aren't they neat though? I really love them. I will have them linked below so that you can go find them. They have many choices, animals, all kinds of different things. I also have a code, MDM15, and you can get 15% off your order. All right. So check them out and see if there's something you like. All right. Now, I have one more item to show you. I'm going to have to move these out of the way. Slide over that way a little bit. This was what was in this bag. That's why I got this canvas bag. It has something else in it. All right. Let me show you these. If I can get them open. Sometimes these sticky, stick closed packaging are hard to find where you open them. Okay. They're a little large, but they're cool. They are a pair of earrings. So, I mean, they're a bit large, but they're earrings. They come with the fish hook type back to them. And look at how pretty they are, though. Now, do you have to use them as earrings? No, you don't. You can use them for other things if you wanted to. I mean, you could put them in something, on something. You could turn them into a magnet if you wanted to. Or you could use them as earrings if you chose to. They're just a bit large, but I mean, they're very pretty. The intricate carving on these is just, it's amazing, right? Pretty neat. So, dragonfly, earrings, elephant light. Let's light it back up again. Why not? Light back up again. Show everybody how pretty you are. And then the gnome. The gnome is so cool with the changing lights and all that. So fun, right? So much fun. All right, like I said, everything will be linked below. My code will be below. The website, the link to the website will be below so you guys can check them out and see if there's something there that you like. Like I said, they're good prices. I mean, this one is less expensive than this one, right? They have some, the music activated ones I think are really large. I think you have to get the really large ones to get the music activation, but I think this is like $30 or something. What a nice little gift though, right? I think they make perfect gifts. Every animal you can imagine, they have all kinds of stuff. Once you start looking at their site, they have just all kinds of cool things. So anyhow, that's what I have to show you today. Thanks for watching, everybody, and I hope you enjoyed it. And please check them out, okay? All right, I'll be talking to you soon. Bye, everybody.